Alright, here's a new fan I won from the Hunter giveaway on Instagram. So we have here's the Hunter Norden. It's in copper. I actually like this a lot. It is a DC fan. This is a 54-inch fan. So far, this is my biggest fan in my collection. Okay, here's a DC motor. And I'm not, and this is, well, I'm not going to show you house address because obviously I'm not going to show you the sides because it has my house address there. So, yeah. Anyways, let's start unboxing it. Here it is. And unbox for you. Okay. I'm not gonna dig too deep. I'm not gonna dig too deep, honestly. I'm trying to preserve this as much as I can. Okay. So, here we go. Alright, so here's the manual. Probably connected to this. I don't know what's up with that. Hey, Bob. Okay, this is the manual for it. For the side. Here's the canopy hardware. This is the coupler hardware. What I call this a coupler cover. Some hardware. Bring them on the cradle in. Got a 2-inch down rod. Let's see what else. A remote. Here is a light pan. You got the LED engine light. This is an integrated LED. I call it an LED engine light because of got the bouncing kit. Some hardware screws. A 3-inch down rod. Alright, let's see. Get this under the motor. It's very hard to get on one hand. Hold on. Lift this up. Alright. Hopefully it's going to get quicker than the last video. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. The blade is attached there. Ooh. So, I didn't expect the blades to be caught in there. So, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I didn't expect the blades to get caught in this. There's the canopy. Here's the LED, here's the glass diffuser. Hopefully it's not broken. Yeah. Yeah, what the heck. And this, golly, oh, beautiful DC motor. The Norden DC motor. Thankfully, it didn't get damaged during shipping. Lucky surprise for me. So the motor didn't get damaged. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see it, me install it, go on Instagram and see it. I'll be doing it soon.